We're at the Data and AI Knowledge Hub with Dr. Daniele Marini, who's Anchoring Innovation Manager at the National Manufacturing Institute Scotland. Daniele, what are we doing to try and connect the UK supply chain?
So HVMC has developed a platform called the UK Supply Chain Directory to bridge OEMs and suppliers and help them networking and getting visibility on their capabilities to increase resilience and reshoring the UK manufacturing.
Why has this become necessary?
Because there is a lack of visibility on what UK manufacturers can do, particularly from the OEM side, and a lack of knowledge of their capabilities that could help connect the UK critical products to what UK manufacturers can really achieve with their current capabilities and where they want to go to develop more resilient UK supply chains and infrastructures.
Now, what level of granularity of data are any company is likely to find when they go onto the directory?
So in the directory there are placeholders for over 200,000 manufacturing companies. Each of these companies are associated to keywords and so to capabilities that they could provide to companies that are looking for manufacturing products. So each of those companies are basically profiled against a set of capabilities and their business capabilities, their geographical position. So anything that is publicly available is associated to each of those companies to be classified as manufacturers.
Well, I was going to say that any company in the UK that is in the manufacturing sector, there's a racing certainty they're going to be on the directory. What do they do when they go on the directory?
So in the directory, each of the company has a profile that can be claimed and modified to adjust the capabilities that we inferred from the publicly available data to their own real capabilities. So those companies become fully searchable and matched against what OEMs, buyers, or anyone interested in understanding more about their capabilities can find.
That means that it's possible that their profile is slightly wrong, the data you've downloaded may have gone out of date. So really, to get up to date, to be absolutely there in the marketplace, they need to go on and claim their companies.
Absolutely, and of course it's a free tool for on both sides, so on the manufacturer side and on the OEMs and the buyer side, and there will always be. So I really recommend to anyone to give a look at the directory, but particularly to manufacturers to claim their own profile.
Now, is it the finished article? Is what people are going to see on the screen how it's always going to be?
No, it's of course an always changing product that we are trying to tailor against the requirements and the needs of the manufacturing, particularly for making it more user-friendly and to understand deeper the capabilities of supplier in such a way that they could display even better what they can do inside their own facilities and with their own processes to anyone that want to purchase their services or are interested into them.
And that's really the point, isn't it? That after all these years of going overseas to buy products and services, we've got to learn that we have the capabilities here in the UK for just about anything we might need.
Absolutely, and you will be astonished how underutilized are some of the key capabilities that we have here in the UK, and give visibility to those capabilities can help reshoring, localizing, and really level up the overall manufacturing value in the UK itself.
Daniele Marini, thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome.